Dental bridges are a common dental procedure that is used to replace missing teeth. They are a cost-effective and permanent solution for improving your dental health and restoring your smile. However, the cost of dental bridges can vary greatly depending on where you live. In this video, we will compare the cost of dental bridges in Turkey versus Europe and help you decide which option is best for you if you are on a budget. Turkey, a budget-friendly option for dental bridges. Turkey has become a popular destination for dental tourism in recent years, thanks to its high-quality dental care at affordable prices. Many people from Europe and other parts of the world travel to Turkey to get dental treatments such as dental bridges at a fraction of the cost they would pay in their home countries. In Turkey, the cost of a dental bridge can range from $500 to $1,500, depending on the type of bridge and the materials used. This is significantly cheaper than the cost of dental bridges in Europe, where the average cost can be anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000. One of the main reasons why dental care in Turkey is so affordable is because of the lower cost of living and labor in the country. Dentists in Turkey are well-trained and highly skilled, and many of them have received their education and training in Europe or the United States. In addition to the cost savings, many dental clinics in Turkey offer packages that include accommodation, transportation, and even sightseeing tours for patients who are traveling from abroad for dental treatment. This makes getting dental bridges in Turkey not only affordable but also a unique and memorable experience. Europe, quality comes at a price. While Europe is known for its high-quality dental care, it also comes at a price. Dental bridges in Europe can be quite expensive, especially in countries like the United Kingdom, Germany, and France. In Europe, the cost of a dental bridge can vary depending on the complexity of the procedure, the materials used, and the location of the dental clinic. On average, you can expect to pay anywhere from $1,500 to $4,000 for a dental bridge in Europe, which is significantly higher than the cost of dental bridges in Turkey. One of the advantages of getting dental bridges in Europe is that you have access to some of the best dental specialists in the world. European dentists are known for their expertise and advanced training, and they use the latest technology and techniques to ensure the best possible outcomes for their patients. However, the high cost of dental bridges in Europe can be a deterrent for many people who are on a budget or do not have dental insurance. This is where getting dental treatment in Turkey can be a more affordable and viable option for those who are looking to save money without compromising on quality. Making the right choice for your dental health. When it comes to getting dental bridges on a budget, both Turkey and Europe have their pros and cons. While Europe offers high-quality dental care and access to top specialists, it comes at a higher price. On the other hand, Turkey provides affordable dental care without compromising on quality, making it an attractive option for budget-conscious patients. Before making a decision, it is important to weigh the cost of dental bridges in Turkey versus Europe, as well as the quality of care and expertise of the dentists. Consider factors such as travel expenses, accommodation, and aftercare when choosing where to get your dental bridges done. Ultimately, the choice between Turkey and Europe for dental bridges will depend on your budget, preferences, and individual needs. Whether you choose to travel to Turkey for affordable dental care or opt for the expertise of European dentists, the most important thing is to prioritize your dental health and choose a reputable clinic that can provide you with the best possible treatment.